Hi friends, it's Mads. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet. Now half double crochets require a turning chain of 2, which means at the end of each row you're going to chain 2 and turn your work, just ensuring that your working yarn is at the back of your work. This also means that when you're doing the initial chains to start your project, that you will just need to chain an additional 2 chains and then work into the 3rd chain from your hook. Now to do a half double crochet, we're first going to yarn over, so you've got this initial loop plus the 2nd loop that you've just yarned over. Now you're going to put your hook into the last stitch of the previous row, or the 3rd chain from your hook if you're doing a foundation chain. And now you're going to yarn over again and just pull it through that stitch like that. So you've currently got 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and pull it through all of these 3 loops like that, and that is a half double crochet. So let's do that again. So let's yarn over. You've got 2 loops currently on your hook. Hook goes into the next stitch, so you've got 2 loops plus that stitch currently on your hook. Yarn over, pull it through that stitch. You've now got 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over for the last time and pull it through all 3 loops. And that's how you do a half double crochet. I hope you found that useful. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I will leave that link to that playlist down in the description box below. Thanks for watching.